Morning students, we are starting a new lesson, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Children, first we will understand the use of PowerPoint. Children, PowerPoint is a presentation program. It is a part of MS Office package, just like MS Word, MS Excel, and it is used to prepare presentations. Presentation is a way to present our ideas in front of others. We can add text in our presentation, we can add diagrams, pictures, we can use audios, videos, animation effects in our presentation. And presentation is a collection of slides that arrange in a sequential manner to convey the information. And slide is what? Slide is like a page in a presentation. Just like pages in a notebook, स्लाइड्स आर इन अ प्रेजेंटेशन. जैसे नोटबुक के अंदर पेजेस होते हैं, हम अपना वर्क करते हैं, उसी तरीके से हम प्रेजेंटेशन में स्लाइड्स क्रिएट करते हैं एंड वी कंप्लीट द प्रेजेंटेशन टू कम्युनिकेट द इंफॉर्मेशन टू अदर्स. And we arrange all the slides. Then we use slideshow. Slideshow presents all the slides on a projector screen or a computer screen. Just like movie, all the slides comes one by one and this way we present the information. slideshow में वन बाय वन स्लाइड्स अपीयर होती है और ऑडियंस जो है इंफॉर्मेशन को देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अ वे वी प्रेजेंट द इंफॉर्मेशन. Now we will discuss some advantages. First is it is a powerful communication tool to present our ideas. Second is children, it is used in business world to present the information about company, products in meetings and seminars. कंपनी को अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में अगर मीटिंग में बताना है तो कंपनीज मोस्टली किसका यूज़ करते हैं? प्रेजेंटेशन का. इन स्कूल टीचर्स यूज टू टीच डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स इन क्लास. In a school, teacher also use the presentation. Now we will understand how can we start the PowerPoint program. Children, we can use PowerPoint icon that is on the taskbar or a desktop. We can double click the icon and we can start the PowerPoint. Also we can use start button. Children, start button is located left side of taskbar. We click on a start button, we come to the all programs, and from all programs we just come to the Microsoft Office package and then we click on the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 to start the PowerPoint program. Children, when we start PowerPoint program, we see a blank presentation comes. Blank means there is no slide prepared in a presentation and we see there are various components of PowerPoint window. We will discuss few of them. First is title bar. Children, the topmost bar of the PowerPoint window is known as a title bar. It shows the name of presentation. Means it shows the name of PowerPoint file we are working. It also shows the name of software. Quick access toolbar. Children, it is a customized toolbar generally placed left side of title bar. We can add the icons for command we used. If we want, we can remove the icons that we are not using. हम इस पे आइकन्स को ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं. रिबन. रिबन इज जस्ट प्लेस टॉप ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया. डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया से जस्ट अबव रिबन होता है. चिल्ड्रन, इट डिस्प्ले द टैब्स. फाइल टैब, होम टैब, इंसर्ट टैब. एंड व्हेन वी क्लिक ऑन अ टैब्स वी सी वेरियस ग्रुप्स आर देयर. ग्रुप्स डिस्प्लेस द बटन्स फॉर वेरियस कमांड्स. अगर हमें कोई कमांड यूज़ करना है तो वी जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द टैब, देन वी कम टू द ग्रुप एंड यूज़ द बटन. Slide tab. Children, in PowerPoint window there are two pans, left pan and right pan. Left pan में slide tab होता है that shows thumbnail of each slide. हमारी presentation में जितनी भी slides हैं उनका thumbnail view slide tab में दिखाई देता है. Thumbnail means small view, miniature view. In this pan we can add, delete the slides, we can create a duplicate slides, we can arrange the slides. Next is children outline tab. Outline tab shows the text content of each slide. Suppose on a one slide there is a title and picture. It only shows title, not the pictures. If we have created a table to show the information about the students, then it will not show that table. It only shows the text we have typed in the slide. Children, we can edit the text in outline view also. Slide area or slide pane. Right side of the window slide pane is there, children. It shows the active slide. It shows individual slide, so we can easily work in the slide. We can add contents, we can delete the contents. Status bar, children, it is a horizontal bar that is located just after the document area. It shows information about presentation like slide number, themes. It also includes the views and zoom options. File tab. Children, this menu allows us to create a new presentation. We can open an existing presentation. We can save our presentation. We can print and close the presentation. Note pen. Children, just below the slide pane, there is a notes pane area where we can write the personal notes regarding the slide. हमें अगर कुछ नोट्स लिखने हैं, जैसे हम नोटबुक के अंदर स्पेशल नोट्स लिखते हैं, just like that we can write notes related with slide. And children, when we just run the slides in a slideshow, these notes are not visible to the audience. It only used by presenter when it is presenting the information. Zoom slider or zoom button. Children, zoom slider and zoom button are used to change the magnification of presentation. We can just increase the zoom of our presentation, we can decrease the zoom of our presentation. So these are the main components of PowerPoint window. Thank you.